I wonder what those theories are doing today. Why do I sound like Peter Griffin? I don't know. Alright, let's see what those theories are doing. Let's see. Oh my god, I got the damn hiccup. Alright, I'm just doing my stuff as you. What the? What the? Is he okay? I gotta go check it out. Oh my god, I just ran into a plant. Exit? You okay? Are you choking or something? Yep, just the hiccup. It kinda sounds like I'm dying, doesn't it? Yes. It does sound like you're dying. Well, hey, at least you're not dying, at least. Danny doesn't need to pay the medical bill for you again, and also Arthur, so yeah, at least you're alive. Just so they don't have to do that. Yep. It's just me hiccuping. I'm not dying. I'm not dying. I promise. I'm not dying. Do you want me to get you some water or something? Or are you good? And just decide to act like a dying person. Water, please. I would like that. Okay then. I'll do that then.